Hey, what's going on, guys? Mike Patrick, and in this video, I want to talk about 5G. Okay, now for those of you who don't know, 5G is fifth generation technology. Okay, so you know how we had 2G, 3G, 4G. Now 5G is being rolled out. Okay, and what this does is it allows you to store. You have more data, so you store more things on your device, and also faster speeds. Okay, so a lot of us millennials I probably love that, and younger kids, don't have to wait around for a video to load or to upload something, and you can also, like I said, store more things on your device. Now, there is a lot of people who is um, who are very worried about the radiation of 5G and some of the possible health effects. Okay, now these are usually people who read a lot more into things. Okay, for for many younger people, all we generally care about a lot of times is just you like the fact that you'll have more speed and you'll have more ability to store more on your device. But the thing is, guys, you can, for those who are worried about 5G, when the radiation, you just have to become a black hole, so to speak. Okay. Now you think about what's our biggest form of radiation. Okay, the sun, right? Now, what do we have to do, or what do people do to better absorb radiation from the sun? What does any life form do, actually? You think about fruit and vegetables, they grow from the sun in order to protect themselves and to screen the sun's radiation and energy. It has pigments, right? What are generally antioxidants, like grapes have resveratrol, okay, and anthocyanins, okay, red grapes, all right, and that's what protects them from the sun, their skin and the pigment, and same as any other fruit. I got plenty videos, or enough videos in the past, kind of going over this, and same thing with vegetables. Okay, the chlorophyll, the pigment, the green pigment, it absorbs the sun's energy, right? Beta carotene, okay, things that we see in stuff like red peppers and oranges. So whatever different color, okay, it's absorbing. That's used to absorb the sun's radiation, okay, and we know if you put all colors together, you get black. So come become a black hole, okay? And how you do that is eat plenty of fruits and vegetables of different colors, okay? You got to load up on the healthy foods now, the antioxidant rich foods, because radiation has the ability to damage DNA, right? And DNA is stored in your cells, okay? And so you figure, how do people combat free radicals and damage DNA? Okay, is antioxidants. Okay, I talk plenty about antioxidants in a lot of my earlier videos. A lot of you already know about antioxidants. If you don't, just go look further into it. All right, I'm not gonna waste this time to go over antioxidants and things like that. But they they're generally the pigments that a lot of antioxidants are generally just pigmentation of plant life. Okay, and now everybody else, as humans, we have we have pigmentation, right? We all have melanin. Okay, so what you got to do is expose yourself to dosages, okay, of the radiation, and make yourself a black hole. So over the course of a period, you can adapt to the radiation, the higher radiation, or the more of the radiation that's coming in, based off of our technology. Because all we're gonna do is become more technologically advanced, guys, over time. So you're gonna have to deal with radiation. We deal with it all the time now. You have your cell phones, you have your desktops, you have your laptops, your tablets, you know um, radiation from the sun. We're exposed to radiation all around us. Microwaves, we use microwaves and things of that nature. So It's not so much about trying to avoid radiation. It's more so about making yourself, like I said, a black hole, so you can absorb radiation. Okay, you can absorb it. All right, and it won't be as harmful. Okay, let me see. Yeah, so just eat more plant food. Eat more colorful plant foods, like it's all mix, all those different colors. You know what I mean? Mixed together. You know, form black. You're becoming a black hole. You're eating a lot of antioxidants. You can absorb more radiation. It won't break your DNA down. Okay, so that's a solution to 5G. Okay, if you think it's really going to be that much of a problem in the first place. All right, guys. Hopefully this was a helpful video. Peace.